Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: the impact of stress on learning and cognitive functioning of students, and how teachers can play a vital role in helping their students overcome it. Let's start by understanding what stress is and how it affects our brains. Stress, in simple terms, is the body's response to external pressure, and it can have a profound influence on our ability to learn. When stress becomes chronic, it releases hormones that can impair cognitive functioning and hinder memory retention and concentration. Now that we know how stress can hinder learning, let's explore its specific impacts. High levels of stress can lead to decreased attention spans, poor decision making, and difficulty in problem solving. This can have a significant impact on students, making it harder for them to retain information and perform well academically. Fortunately, teachers can play a crucial role in mitigating the negative effects of stress and fostering a positive learning environment. Creating a safe and supportive classroom atmosphere where students feel comfortable expressing their concerns is essential. Additionally, incorporating stress-reducing activities such as mindfulness exercises or regular physical breaks can greatly benefit students' cognitive functioning. Another powerful tool in a teacher arsenal is empathetic communication. By actively listening and showing understanding, teacher can provide a valuable outlet for students to express their stresses. This helps build trust and provides a platform for teachers to offer guidance and resources to students who may be struggling. Teachers also need to be aware of the signs of stress in their students. These signs can manifest as change in behavior, declining academic performance, or increased absences. By recognizing these red flags, teachers can offer appropriate support and connect students with counselors or other resources, ensuring they receive the necessary assistance to navigate their challenges. In conclusion, stress can significantly impact learning and cognitive functioning. However, through their understanding, support, and empathetic communication, teachers can help their students overcome these obstacles. By fostering a positive educational environment and providing appropriate resources, teachers can empower their students to succeed academically while also promoting their overall well-being. Together, we can ensure that stress does not become a barrier to learning, but rather a catalyst for growth. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.